Electrify your adventure with the Jeep Wrangler 4xe. That's right, Jeep has gone electric. Let's take a ride with our friends at Brown's as they take their 4x's on an adventure. Discover how much they love using their electric modes and find out their favorite features.
This is Ruby, the Rubicon. My favorite part about the 4xe is that it has all the four-wheel drive capability a regular Rubicon has. It has locking differentials, detachable sway arms, and the way we use it, we don't use any fuel at all.
This is Sarah, my Sahara. Favorite thing about her is the T-tops that come on and off. It's simple. Come on, I'll show you. First thing you want to do is always take the driver's side off first. Pull down the sun visor, unlatch, 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 lift, and that's it.
I got a Jeep Wave and a free cup of coffee.
It's so great. Automatic enrollment.
Yeah.
3 oil changes, 3
Tire rotation.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
And roadside assistance.
Love it.
All right, so I'm in my brand new 4xe. One of my favorite pieces about the 4xe is the sound system in it. I love driving around with it. It's nice and loud, has a subwoofer, and ultimately, when I'm driving around with my top down, it sounds crisp and clean.
The name of my car is Cat, and I have cat skin saddle brown leather in my Wrangler.
You can charge your Wrangler 4xe at home with a level 1 station and get full charge in 12 hours. So it's perfect to plug in at night and wake up in the morning ready to go. Going shopping and need to charge up? There are EV stations at many shopping centers. And level 2 EV charging stations will have you fully charged in 2 hours. That's less time than you need to go on your shopping spree.
This is Starlight, the 4xe. The best thing about our 4xe is going topless. Yay!
Hey guys, my name's Steve. We're sitting in my 4xe. My 4xe's name is Arctic Wolf. My favorite thing about this Jeep is utilizing the different modes that you can use. Default mode is your hybrid mode, which uses electric and then gas, so it's a 50-50 split. And then you have your electric mode, which is full electric, that saves fuel for later use. And then you have your e-save mode, which is going to be more of a gas mode. It's going to save your electric capabilities for later on. I'm going to pass the camera over to my colleague Stephanie to talk about the max regeneration mode that we have.
Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm going to introduce my 4xe. Her name is Delilah. Like Steve was mentioning, I'm going to talk to you about the regen button. So on the regen button, when you're stuck in traffic and you want to get that extra charge, you're just going to press that. And as you're driving, it's going to kind of slow you down a little bit and just give you a little bit more battery as far as the life goes.
Our Browns family loves adventuring in nature with their Jeep Wrangler 4xes. Stop by and say hello and learn more about Jeep electric vehicles.
For driving us for a century.